Good Saturday morning. Meteorologist Molly Bernard here. Winter weather advisory staying in effect until noon today. It's for snow that is really starting to wind down in the last hour. Radar not nearly as impressive as it has been for most of the morning. Still some light snow, some flurries around. Blowing snow is going to continue to be an issue with winds gusting as high as 30 or 35 miles per hour through most of the day today. I do have some updated snowfall totals, and they are impressive across southeastern Wisconsin. Sussex coming in at nearly 16 inches of snow. The National Weather Service in Sullivan reporting more than 14. Also just over 14 in Butler and Richfield. Germantown close to 12.2. Oconomowoc nearly a foot of snow. The closer you get to the lake, the less snow there was. Elkhorn, though, had 10.5 inches, 10.4 in Beaver Dam. Milwaukee's airport officially at 6 o'clock this morning had 7.7 inches. Closer to the lake, it was a heavy, wet, slushy snow accumulation. The snow, though, really starting to wind down, and now there's even a little bit of sunshine that's peeking out through those clouds. We could continue to see just a few flurries, light snow showers through the day today. The other big thing you'll notice along with the wind is our temperatures are falling. So anything that's wet right now will likely be ice this time tomorrow. 28 degrees in Milwaukee, so the temperature went up a degree, but winds will start to come in out of the northwest and temperatures will drop as we head through the day today. The road there in Oconomowoc not looking too bad right now. 21 degrees from our camera at Bank 59, but you can see that flag off in the background blowing in the wind. The winds stay pretty gusty. Temperature is hanging out in the mid and upper 20s right now, but as we head through the afternoon, those temperatures will fall. By midnight tonight, temperatures in Milwaukee near 13 degrees. Temperatures inland will be in the single digits. We fall into the single digits and below zero area wide overnight tonight with a wind chill advisory going into effect at 3 o'clock tomorrow morning. That'll last until noon tomorrow. Wind chills 25 to 20 degrees below zero. The coldest will be inland, but it is going to be cold everywhere by this time tomorrow. Frostlight bite will be possible in less than 30 minutes. So if you haven't been out to shovel the sidewalk, to shovel the driveway, do it this morning. All of the snow that's on the ground right now will be a block of ice by this time tomorrow with the cold air moving in and sticking around through a lot of the week. We'll be back here at 11 o'clock with another update on the weather as we continue to see the snow move out. For now, I'm going to go ahead and send it back to regular programming.